trying to prove now? That you're beyond the disappointment, Eddie? My goodness, you get a woman pregnant and she's just a sales clerk. And she's older than you.
This is not the scene that I present you with a blank check and tell you layuan ng anak ko. If anything, I am thrilled to have a grandchild. And you can expect our full support in raising this child.
Thank you po. Malaking bagay po sa amin ito ni Eddie.
But this is the scene. I'm warning you about my son. You do know that Eddie did this dahil ginagantihan niya ang papa niya by bringing a woman like you na sagad sa ambisyon. Isisilang mo itong batang ito. But never, ever will you marry my son.
Mahal po ako ng anak niyo.
Mahal? Hindi ka lang pala tanga kung hindi ubod ng tanga. Don't you get it? Now, you are the flavor of the month. You are his big thrill. Ginawa niya ito dahil gusto niyang seryosohin siya ng kanyang ama. But sooner or later, he will get tired of you. He will find a bigger, better, prettier, younger thrill.
Kung hindi kayo naging sapat sa asawa niyo, then I'm genuinely sorry. Pero sisiguraduhin ko na kami ni Eddie, hindi lang basta maging mag-asawa, magiging partners kami.
Let's see. But you will never ever be part of our world.
I love Velma so much, and she will be an imperial. Kaya naming mabuhay ng kami lang, hindi kita kailangan.
Ingrato ka talaga. Tinuring kitang anak. Even if you are the son of your mother from another.
Another what? Ano? Yan naman ang lagi mong sinusumbat, di ba? Na anak ako ni mama sa iba. Eh bakit ikaw? Di ba nang babae ka din? Ha? Pa!
Tuluyan na daw siyang naparalisa, sabi ng doktor. And it's almost impossible na makaka-recover pa siya. That's why, son, you will have to take over his business.
Ma, I'm not his real son.
That's why, son, you have to prove na kaya mo and that you deserve to be an imperial. Wala na siyang magagawa ngayon. All you need to do is make him proud of you.
Sorry. What are you still watching that? You should stop.
I thought naka-move on na ako dito. But that gut-wrenching feeling is back. And so are the questions. Did you love her? Was it a one-night stand? Either way, nakakasuka. Natunay lang that I wasn't enough for you.
Velma, please don't do this.
I lost you. And I lost myself. Ilang pang pagpapaganda ang gagawin ko sa sarili ko. Ilang liters ng Botox, ilang sessions ng liposuction, ilang oras ako sa loob ng beauty clinic. How much makeup does a woman have to put on for her to feel that she's enough? Na hinding-hindi mo siya papalitan.
I was weak. I was weak, and that girl, that Helen girl, she saw right through me and she used it against me. Inakit niya ako nilandi, thinking na makukuha niyang pangarap niya by destroying what we have, and I fell for it. I made a mistake. Sa pagkakamaling hindi ko na uulitin, Velma.
Whoever sent this video wants to destroy us.
No, nothing can destroy us. Not then, not now, not ever.
This is my father.
It's nice seeing you again, Son.
안녕하세요. 좀 뵙겠습니다.
Someone sent me a video, and I need to know who and where this person is. Hanapin mo tong Marie Armani na to.
Okay, ma'am. Tara's father is part of business circle. I heard she ran away. But in exchange for that information, Alex needs to stay in Seoul for now to spend time with him.
Alam mo ba kung nasan si Tara Park? Mas matalino ako sa'yo. Kaya alam ko mahahanap ko agad si Tara Park in no time.
Nawawala si Aling Eva.
May gusto ko sumira sa akin. Linisin mo ito, pwede. Na I don't care how you do it. Kilala mo kung paano magalit.
Ganda-gandahan